Everywhere I go, all I ever seem to hear it. No matter where I go, all I ever seem to see it. Everywhere I go, all I ever seem to hear it. No matter where I go, all I ever seem to see it.
Watch, you're pointing right at your
It's the
foot.
same thing. LA ain't changed. Niggas still play a hating, but Dre ain't changed. I'm just a lot smarter now. Cause these niggas is banging 10 times harder now. Niggas bringing their ass up in the wrong part of town. Better turn their car around, rolling their window down.
Hey, can we talk it out?
Nah, get the fuck out. Johnny got a shotgun, and he ain't even strong enough to cock one. Fuck trying to job hunt. Niggas got AKs. Niggas is way crazier than Dre was back in his NWA days. Niggas spray strays and shoot without looking. Niggas walk by and blast without leaving a footprint. I think the attitudes are twice as worse. It takes half the time to get your whole life reversed.